What's going on, guys? Redbeard here from Bot and Cop, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can use our cook group to make a ton of money, and basically show you guys each section and what each of them are for and how they can help you. So first section is Important AF. It's where we ping you whenever things drop, like PS5 drops, sports cards to run for, low-key stuff like this is a computer. There's a monitor that was pretty profitable. What else? A little way that you can get an Xbox Series X using your current Xbox One. That's just a few things in the last couple of days. Anytime consoles drop, GPUs are dropping, we ping it there. Staff also pings lots of different things. Top Shot, the UFC cards when they come into stock on Shopify. A lot of different things. This is where our local scrub Vinky Vinky's pretty good at pinging. He was letting everyone know about the sports cards dropped on Target on the 7th, looks like. So pretty on top of things, letting our members know when stuff's happening. And then our members themselves actually post a lot of low-key stuff. Sometimes we miss. Not often, but you know, every now and then. So that's what that is for. And also we do giveaways. We do like free bot rentals every now and then. Last one we did was Fluid. Did a few Fluid rentals. Group buys. We've had group buys with Lightning. We've had group buys with Tweet Catcher. Never know what we're going to get in the future. This is the main channel where everyone chats at. General, this is where people post their success. You scroll through here, you'll see a ton of sports cards, GPUs, people selling stuff, making money. PlayStation 5s, Xboxes, pools. Lots and lots and lots of stuff. We could scroll for a while here. Titan Nova been cooking the sports cards. Somebody else really hit a big load of them recently. Not sure. I'd have to scroll up quite a bit to find it, but our members have been making some money for sure. Testimonials, we got console cash out. This is a guy named Maxi that you can sell your consoles to immediately. Marketplace, this is where you can rent bots. We have staff rentals, and then our members also post bots for sale, what they want to buy. They post their bots for rent. So there are other places that you can rent bots and buy bots from, but it's pretty convenient to be able to buy it and rent them from people that you know, part of the community. Bot restocks. Bot restocks are very profitable. Anytime a notable profitable bot is restocking on Twitter or anywhere in Discord that we're aware of, we ping it here so that you know about it. And then we also have guides. Like here's the most recent big bot restock was Ominous. We have guides on how to actually cop the bots, and we even have tools set up for a lot of different like bot restock tools like Tweet Ninja, Lightning, Tweet Catcher, so on and so forth. Yeah, pretty cool stuff if you're into bot restocks. Flips, it's low-key flips, stuff that not everyone knows about. That's pretty profitable. Art, Hot Wheels, Top Shot stuff, Squishmallows, Mellow, Squishmallows. Sports card stuff. We got Titan Flips. He posts a lot of really good stuff. Helium mining. You know, a lot of low-key stuff that I shouldn't even be showing you guys, but I do. We got the Bot and Cop freebie monitor, where you can get stuff for free. So when that pings, act fast, because usually it's pretty limited stock. If you don't get it within the first, 10-15 seconds, it's probably sold out. And this stuff literally ships to your house for free. Price errors, kind of the same scenario. Whenever people make errors, our bot picks it up and posts directions on how to get it. BrickSeek, this is like local. Check your local stores for these deals. Rios deals is it's Amazon. It's kind of similar to Bot and Cop Free, but our Bot and Cop Free monitor is a little bit faster and has a little bit better stuff. These are our monitors. These literally monitor everything on all these sites. We enter the SKUs in that we want to watch. Pretty much only profitable stuff is what we put in here. GPUs, some Pokemon stuff, You name it. If it's profitable, it's on here. This is just some of the stuff that's dropped today. Barnes & Noble. We got like Dr. Seuss books and stuff on here. None of it's dropped recently, but if it did, this would pick it up. Best Buy, again, lots of GPUs, some low-key stuff. And Best Buy actually has in-store and shipping. So a lot of stuff you can only buy in-store, and a lot of stuff can only be shipped. So our monitors differentiate between the two so that you know. A lot of monitors do not have that, so it's kind of nice. Disney picks up a lot of low-key stuff. Game Nerds, same thing. Anytime anything new restocks, Disney, Game Nerds, our monitors pick it up. GameStop, nothing's dropped on GameStop recently, but GPUs, consoles, that sort of thing. A few low-key flips. The Coronis Zen stocks on there. Newegg, GPUs, obviously. The Newegg Shuffle, some processors, computer parts, stuff like that. Top Shot, anytime Top Shot restocks, we monitor that. Pokemon Center has a lot of good stuff. PlayStation Direct has not done their queue in a while, but if it did, we'd have it there. Sam's Club, pretty much PlayStation 5. Target, anytime anything new pops up on Target, we have a scraper that picks it up. We have our Target restocks, which obviously pulls sports cards, PlayStation 5s, Xboxes, several low-key flips we post in there. Nothing really on US Mint right now. Walmart, just like Target, it's pulls, chlorine, few printers, sports cards, squishmallows, consoles, GPUs even, you name it, it's on there. Botting, we have successful setups when people hit with their bots. And our community is actually pretty helpful. A lot of bot groups themselves, they don't post a lot of successful setups. They don't want each other knowing what they are, but our cook group, we have a lot of really helpful people that don't mind posting to help out. And then we have specific channels for different bots like eStock, Fluid, Nova, Ominous, Stellar, Viper. So if you're needing help with a certain bot, or you have questions, or you just want to talk about a certain bot, we have channels for most of the notable retail bots. And if there's one we don't have here and you want it added, let us know, we will add it. Tools, guides, and resources, there's information about proxies, captcha solver. We have an offer ID list that we offer. We offer an offer ID list. We offer an offer. Pretty cool. Reseller tools, how to get different cards. We have AYCD partnerships, so you can get a discount on that. We have a lot of different SKU lists to pretty much every notable site. We have information on pools and guides, and then we also have a little crypto and GPU mining section. People post the rig pics in there, stuff like that. So there you go, guys. There is an overview of Bot and Cop, what it is, what we have to offer, what we could do to help you. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you guys soon. There will be a link in the description for you to join. So come cook with us. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys for the next video.